Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your Monday Mania, Snow Mania update. Um, so, effectively, now what we have is we've had this low out in the out near Ohio has transferred its energy. Okay, has transferred its energy to off the coast. So now, what you see now with the winds and the intensification of the winds and um, is the birth of this low. Okay, it's been gelling since last night. So this is going to take a track, effectively, kind of curve here, and then get to a point here, just off the Delmarva and south of Cape May and Atlantic City. And this is going to be the propulsion, the jet propulsion of additional accumulation for the rest of the afternoon. So this is going to push, what you're going to have is this insane cyclogenesis intensification with moisture that's just going to push through. Okay. Now that's going to be the first part. And then what this is going to do, this is going to lift this system, okay? Because I'm going to show you on another graphic. All right, this is going to lift this system, and you're going to have a massive corridor of cyclogenesis. This conveyor belt is just going to flood. Oh boy, I don't know what that was. And hammer areas, New York included, for the rest of this afternoon. So here's the setup, and here's the um, I guess the hope here is um, where this band is going to set up. It you're going to see this arm come in here. New York. It's going to basically sit on top of New York and Northeast PA. Okay, and then extend downward. And then, send that vorticity rates down south, since we'll have north winds. So it's that we're kind of waiting for that to occur. Meanwhile, you're going to have snow wrapping back into the radar, and you'll see the radar fill up um, after 10 a.m. and it'll be snow again. Let me just show you something else. Okay, this is the 12K NAM, and this is the 700 millibar photogenesis. And this is what I mean when what's going to happen. So this is yesterday. This is previous 6 hours. So this is 5, 4, 3. Okay, let me go to 11, 10, 9. Okay, this is about now. So what's happening is the storm is pivoting. Okay. Now I want you to watch. I want you to watch this area. Okay. So all these purple and brown and all this, all these circles. This is cyclogenesis. Okay. This is the meat of the intense. This is snow rates of 1, 2, 3 an hour. Okay, so 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So it's kind of starting now, but look at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, and notice how it kind of like it's growing. 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So when it makes that little like bend that bends south, okay, this is when you have that conveyor belt, and this is when you have those snow rates that are pretty tense. And then we have this little band here south of us, and that will cause upward motion and vorticity. So between 1 p.m. and 6 p.m., this is going to be the make or break period. This is going to be make or break to see, if we meet at least the minimum criteria that I set out for snow totals in the area. So I've got at least 5 right now outside. So right now, um, I don't know what it's like downstate. You got to send me some numbers, but um, upstate here, um, we could receive another 3 to 3. No, they're saying 3 to 6, 3 to 6 inches, which would get us up to 8 to 10, 8 to 12. Okay, downstate, Dover and area, you could see an additional, 2 or 3 inches. Well, downstate here, you're pretty much done. I mean, you might get some wraparound, some flurries, and some stuff later today, but no major accumulation. Here's where the major accumulation is going to be. This between North New Jersey and New York City, it's just gonna pound, and 2 feet is not out of the question for this area. So there's a little pocket here today, right here, that creates forcing, and then right here, as that main forcing comes around, and you can see how tight the gradient is, and hopefully that conveyor belt, you know, goes right through, and anybody in this kind of general location, that's who will pick up um, some heavy snow rates. So um, that's it for today. So pretty much you can expect what we have now, and how it's going to go through um, the rest of this afternoon, early evening, tonight, and then I dare to say it should shut up sometime tomorrow morning. But based on model observations, this thing has enough juice to go to Wednesday. I don't see that, but it could. All right, that's it. Brandon Doherty, Delaware weather guy, is saying adios.